Hi, in this video we want to take a look at customizing your text. Sometimes you could be faced with challenges like your text or a word is not properly represented. For instance, if you look at this reaction, you will discover that we have H2. This is not just like the ordinary 2. This is a subscript. Or likewise, this also is a subscript. This is a subscript. I think we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subscripts in this whole reaction, these two reactions. Okay, so how do we change this to look like the exact subscript? That is what we want to look at in this video, and there are some other things too which you can also change when it comes to customizing your text. We're going to see some other options which we can use, so we're just going to focus on subscript in this video. Okay, good. It is the same method that you're going to use. So first you need to select the text. So select this text, then you go to the font menu. You can see the arrow by the corner of the font menu. You select that or you click on it, then you can see the different effects that we have here. It could be a strike through or a double strike through or even a superscript, but this time around we want subscript. So we're going to select subscript, and you can also see on the right hand side that there are other options which you could also select, like the small caps, the all caps, and the equalize character height. Alright, so that is our focus. Another tab is the character spacing, but we're not focusing on that. Okay, so once we select the subscript, you click OK. Voila, so you can see the 2 has become a subscript. So let us quickly change the remaining text to subscript. So you select, make sure you select. Let me deselect so that you understand why I said make sure you select. You can see that the arrow in the font menu is not active, so you have to make sure that you select it first. You select the particular text, then you can see that the arrow is now active before you go and click on the arrow. Then you select whichever effect. In this case is subscript, because that is what we focus on. Okay, so let us also change this text. In fact, we're going to change all of the text that has to do with subscript. Okay, so you select it, then you go to the arrow inside the font menu, then you select subscript, then you click OK. Alright, so let me quickly do this. Select, go to the arrow, then you click use subscript, then you click OK. Alright, select, go to the arrow, select subscript, then you click OK. Select the text, go to the arrow, select subscript, then you click OK. Good. So that's it. So that is what you need to know about customizing your text. It could be a subscript or a superscript or a strike through or double strike through. Whatever you want to do, you can customize it by first selecting the particular text, then you go to the arrow in the font menu, you select whatever effect, then you click OK, and that's it. Good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.